Ever wondered what the most painful insect sting in the world feels like? Meet the bullet ant, native to Central and South America. Its sting is described as walking on burning coals with a nail in your foot. The pain can last over 24 hours, causing shaking, nausea, and fever. Indigenous tribes even use these ants in rituals of endurance. Bullet ants aren't aggressive unless provoked, but their sting is legendary. It's nature's brutal warning system. Stay away, a tiny insect, delivering a colossal message. In the jungle, size doesn't define threat. Pain does.